Hey there, extraordinary educators. Welcome back to On Secondary Thought, the home of purposefully imperfect teaching, where we talk about all things middle and high school. If you had a chance to watch our last video, you know that we discussed creating an avatar with our students in our virtual learning communities. And today I'm going to show you how to create a specific type of avatar called a Loomie. The first thing you're going to need to do is download it on your phone, which I've already done here. Open it up. And when you open it up, you will get a screen that looks like this. There will be a camera flashing, and all of a sudden this man will appear who may or may not look like you. And here is a step that you don't want to miss. You want to go to the three dots in the left-hand corner, tap on that, and you want to log in. And when you log in, this is a very important step. You want to log in by continuing with Google. This will allow you to access this avatar that you're creating when you're in your Google Classroom or when you're using Zoom. So once you've logged in, you want to go back to the original screen, and there'll be a camera flashing that says take a photo to create a new avatar. Now you can create an avatar by taking a photo live, or you can create an avatar by taking one of your pre-existing photos from your photo album. And today I'll be showing you how to create an avatar using your photo album. So I hit the camera, and if you were taking a live photo, here are some of the directions that you need to follow. I'm just going to hit the orange arrow. If you were taking a live photo, your face would have to be lined up in the outline here, and you would hit the circle there, just like taking any other picture. But since I'm going into my photo album, I'm going to tap the photo icon. And here I have my photos, and I have two headshots of Mona Lisa. I'm going to take the one that is zoomed in the most. If you do not have a photo that is zoomed in, of course you would need to crop the photo, but I'm picking this one. And once I pick this one, I have an X and I have an orange check, and I'm going to click the orange check. And now I'm just waiting. If you notice at the bottom, there is something that looks like, is that like a DNA molecule or a molecule or something? And it's working to assess my face, my eyes, my nose, my ears, so that it can come up with an avatar that looks exactly like Mona Lisa. I think this is a great tool to use with your students, and a great tool for your students to use, because if you notice the man's face, it moves, it has expression, the eyes blink. So it's not just a picture, but it's actually a 3D avatar. So as you can see, I took a picture of Mona Lisa, and the imaging determined that Mona Lisa is a male. So I'm just going to use the icons that are here to select female, because Mona Lisa, as far as we know, is a female. They also have a gender neutral icon. And as this transitions into a female, you will see that there are different outfits, there are different hairstyles, and none of them really matter because you can change them once you select one. So I'm just going to select the one that's already pre-selected, hit the orange check. I'm going to skip this. I decided to sign out so that my screen looked exactly like yours. And here we have Mona Lisa. And it's so interesting. They even have like the detail in the face, and maybe that's why it took so long, the detail in her face, like the ridges and everything. Okay, so I can change the hair, and I can change different colors. If I move it along, Mona Lisa can have pink hair. I can also change the hairstyle at the bottom here. So let's see what we have. Let's go with this blunt cut. She looks pretty professional as far as her clothing is concerned, but I could also change her top to something that you might want to wear in a classroom. A blazer perhaps, and a skirt. Let's see. You could change the color of the skirt if you want. Let's try, we can make it brown, or we can change color up here. If we make this white, we can add the color, I think. And then I might want to change the shoes to a flat. And you can have all sorts of fun with this, and you can see how this might be fun for your students as well. Once you've made all of the final enhancements to your Loomie, you want to be sure to save it. If you'd like to know how to use your Loomie in Google Classroom or Zoom, please check out my next video. Until then, thank you for visiting on Secondary Thought, the home of purposefully imperfect teaching. Please be sure to like, subscribe, or share this video with other extraordinary educators. See you next time.